Hello, I'm Troy Bockelmann with the CattleFax Close and Bell. Today's Close and Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. The parasite control portfolio from Zoetis gives you the flexibility you need. Backed by reliable science and quality manufacturing, you can be confident that Dectomax and Valbazin will consistently control internal and external parasites. Learn more at getlessparasites.com. There was active fed cattle cash trade this week between $96 and $101 per hundredweight, with the bulk of the trade occurring between $96 and $98. This would be roughly $1 higher from last week, with the strongest prices occurring in the north. The live cattle futures market traded mostly steady throughout the week, with December live cattle futures looking to close the week just shy of $110 per hundredweight. As the cattle feeding segment continues to work through the large front-end supply of market-ready cattle, USDA steer carcass weights had less than a summer seasonal decline. In the most recent data, steer carcass weights were 902 pounds, 37 pounds above year-ago levels. The year-over-year gap will likely narrow as seasonally weights increase into the fall, yet 2020 is expected to have less than a seasonal increase. The CattleFax Corn Crop Condition Index is currently at a 75.2. This is steady with a week ago and 5 points above last year. The U.S. corn crop has now entered the doing phase of development, with 9% of the national crop doing compared to the 5-year average of 7%. Ethanol production continues to struggle as COVID shutdowns limited miles traveled, resulting in weakening ethanol demand. At the low, ethanol production was 48% below year-ago levels. As parts of the country reopen and people get back to work, ethanol production has increased. Over the last 4 weeks, ethanol production has averaged 14% below a year ago. Demand for ethanol will likely continue to suffer into the new market year as the economy works through the COVID consequences. With an average or better corn crop, stocks-to-use will be supported above 14%, and a 16 to 18% stocks-to-use for corn in the new market year is likely. After moving a dime lower to start the week, spot corn futures have regained half that loss and at a time of writing are looking to close the week near $3.27 a bushel. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.